Hands-on demonstration on data processing and data management. Filtering.
So, we are done with conditional formatting and we are done with sorting. Paano naman kung filtering? Halimbawa, gusto kong i-check kung sino lang yung mga female applicants lang. Kasi halimbawa, preferred talaga nung benefactor natin na yung bigyan ng scholarship is female lang. So, what we can do is, dito sa codes, sex column natin, pwede nating i-filter yon. So, click H2, Control-Shift down. Ayan, pwede tayo mag-filter. Sort and filter lang ulit sa home tab or right-click naman kung ayaw nyong hanapin sa ating home tab. Ayan. So, filter by selected value. Ayan. Ito, male. Paano kung gusto kong palitan ng female? Ayan. As you notice, since yung highlight ko kanina, H2 lang, naging column header yung H2. So, hindi natin gusto yon. So, undo lang natin. So, dapat kapag mag-filter tayo, kasama yung column header. Again po, kapag mag-filter tayo, sasama natin yung ating column header. Highlight, filter, ayan. Then we select, ayun. Okay, makikita nyo po, may drop down na sa right side ng ating sex column. Ayan, masiselect na natin kung ano lang yung gusto natin i-display. Kung halimbawa, gusto ko i-filtered sila na female lang yung makikita natin, ayan, select ko lang yung female. Uncheck ko yung male. Kapag gusto ko naman male, uncheck ko to, male naman. Okay po, that is filtering.